Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. Evaluate x square plus 4x plus 4 divided by x plus 2. Now, before we do this, x square plus 4x plus 4 divided by x plus 2. Now, before we do this, let's observe the numerator. Observe numerator. Numerator has two perfect squares, x square and 4. So x square is perfect square of x and 4 is perfect square of 2. So let's check middle term. Middle term, if x square plus 4x plus 4 is perfect square of x plus 2. So for this to be perfect square of x plus 2, middle term has to be 2 into x into 2, which is 4x. So numerator is x plus 2 whole square. So we can write this as x square plus 2 into 2 into x plus 2 square divided by x plus 2. So we have it here x plus 2 whole square divided by x plus 2, and this is using a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So one of the x plus 2's cancel out and the answer remains x plus 2. Answer is option B.